row the other way. He said he wanted to row like... What's going on, guys? Guess what's going on? Let me show you what's going on. You ready to see it? Weather's warm. We got the kayak out. We got the poles up there. No Nickel Outdoors, HB, Michigan. This is what we're doing. We're hammock camping. We're out here at the lake, up in northern Michigan, up in the great outdoors. We got the great old Unk. We got the J-Lo over there, the little big brother. So, as of right now, we're hanging out, and here's my uncle cracking jokes, which is funny. Oh, you mean his big sister? And he's funny. He's a funny guy. But anyhow, we got the fire going. Got my hammock up. We got his hammock up. We got my brother's hammock up. My brother made fun of me because we hooked him up to this little tree and that big tree, and then he's worried about going down this big hill. But like he told me, whatever. And he's never slept in a hammock before. Yeah, and look at what we found in our campsite. Look at that. It's shark. They do exist in Michigan. But anyhow, so follow along. Hopefully you enjoyed this video as we're going along. We got set up today. It's Friday. We're gonna tomorrow morning get out on this lake, cast some lines in the water, see what we can catch. What? Oh yeah, we got Bigfoot around here too, apparently, I guess. That's what Unc was saying. But, and look at my brother. He's trying to get in his hammock, trying to figure it out. Did you figure it out yet? Sasquatch?
Really?
Talk to the viewers, man. Look, you're tripping over the lines already and you just got out of work.
You're tripping, man.
You are tripping. You been drinking?
Yeah. Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew?
Yeah.
But any other than that, catch you later. See you on the flip side. And stay tuned. More's to come. This is what we're having. We're having some New York strip, some Lowry's, some pepper on it. I have my divider for my Yeti cooler, which works as a cutting board. I got some A1 sauce and everything that needs to go. We got it going. We got aluminum foil on it. So let's get this steak on there and get her cooking. And we're gonna cook her up nice and good. As you see it, we're cooking. Till then, see you when it's dinner time. What are we having for dinner?
Steak, taters, and rice.
Steak, taters, and rice. What kind of rice?
Spanish rice.
Red potatoes with New York strip. We got our potatoes. They're burnt, which is good. We got our Spanish rice. This is my meal right here. We're good to go. And this is how we cooked it. That's dinner for tonight. And I wish I could have filmed it, but Uncle Mark says, hey, what?
Tomatoes and dill pickle with French chip dip.
French chip dip? Ooh,
There,
that's a nice side salad. But other than that, we got it cooked up. We're doing it the best way we can. And that is the way we cook it. That's the way we do it. Just like we're just kicking back and relaxing. Cook dinner the way ever we want. Look at that. Tasty. Oh yeah. Look at him. Look at him. Ooh. Tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Is that good?
Yep.
It'll be good on the taters too.
That's what I just did.
How's that New York strip taste?
Excellent.
Oh yeah. I seasoned it perfectly. They don't want A1 sauce, but I love A1 sauce. But anyhow,
The way the potatoes are burnt, it just gives it flavor.
he likes the way the potatoes are burnt. I always burn my potatoes on the fire when you wrap one's foil, butter, and everything. And another thing what we did differently with the potatoes is we added butter, salt, Lowry's, pepper, and what was it? It was the cashews, rosemary, seasoning salt out of the cashews. And we added that in there. Oh, man.
The other thing that we did is we didn't let our wives tell us how to cook it.
That's him. That's him. Blame it on him.
Right now he's speaking.
You hear that, Davina? Blame it on him. So, we're out fishing. I'll show you. Look at this view. So last night we went fishing. Just before the sun went down, I caught 4 little fish. My brother didn't catch any. We went back up. Enjoyed the fire. Now this morning we ate our breakfast. And now we're casting some lines in the water. But we'll see how well we do today as far as the fishing goes. And if I catch some decent fish, hopefully you'll see them. And other than that, so just keep watching. Guy, he turned around and took his oar off of his boat.
Here, James.
No, go the other way. He said he wanted to row like a kayak.
I just fell over. Oh, got cramp in my foot.
So we caught, I don't know, caught about 4 fish. A little tiny perch, a little tiny bass, some bluegill.
Yeah, if I ever get
They were not hand size though, but they let them go back. It seems like they're in the thermal climate, like just before it drops off. But yeah, just floating around, throwing some lines. You know you're roughing it when you pull out a P38 to open up the can. You forgot your can opener. And we're having some steak, potatoes, got some sauteed steak strips. And what are those? Tomatoes?
Yeah. Mild diced tomatoes with green chili.
Yep. We got the fire going, we're doing some cooking. He's the chef
What
tonight.
I was saying is take a spoonful and throw in your pot.
So other than that, tonight's the last night, and probably as soon as the sun starts going down a little bit more,
There you go.
we might go down and go fishing, but we got to get some stuff packed up for tomorrow. That way we ain't rushing around to get everything packed up. But it was a nice warm day. It was nice being out on the lake. But hopefully we can catch some more little tiny small fish and let them go. It's just nice being out on the water.
Wow.
Which is done.
That's right, use that cap.
Oh, you put tomatoes in that.
Ooh. Get your support.
Saute. Yeah, be back in a bit. That was the camping adventure. So, we went hammock camping. Spent 2 nights out there. Ate pretty good. Went fishing Saturday. Didn't go fishing last night. Too many boats in the water. But other than that, it was nice to go out and enjoy and get grounded. So, now goes for the trip home. Got about an hour drive home. And my brother realized that, he's like, I understand why you like hammock camping now. The teardown's so much faster, which it is. And you're not sleeping on the ground. But other than that, it was fun. It was good getting out. I would have filmed a little bit more, but the campground, it was busy. I mean, for the area. The weather was hot. They had some festivals going on. But, yeah, other than that, it was great. So, we're planning on another one probably maybe the end of August. And we'll be going to a different state park, and then hopefully this one's a little bit better. Ain't got to worry about the boats and everything. But other than that, stay tuned. Catch you later.